Good evening! It's 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Tonight, I have this gorgeous 2014 Ford Expedition in the shop. Look how pretty this thing is. I tell you, this is one of my favorite categories of customers right here. Just these older folk who just want to see at night, and they trust me because they do their research on me. So this is beautiful. I like this dude a lot too. He's real cool. This is a real simple, basic performance build. Hey. It is a Morimoto Mini D2S projector assembly. We did the Panamera 2.0 shrouds. That was picked out by his wifey boos. And 50 watt setup on it, running the 6500 Kelvin bulb, so pure white output. Gonna be very OEM looking. That was the whole intention here, is he loves his truck, doesn't want to get rid of it, and just wants it to look stock, but modern stock. So that's what we did. As you can see, still has the amber replacement, but now it's got an LED bulb behind there. Also has the profile switchback bulb down yonder, as well as the Morimoto XBLED fog lights down there. Also replaced all the LED bulbs on the interior, as well as along the rear of the vehicle in the sense of the license plate lights, reverse lights, that sort of thing. Enough of my gibber John, let me turn some things on and show off what we got here, okay? So this is our first step. This is just the running light circuit, so the parking lights. As you can see, we've got the super bright white down there, and super nice, wonderful, well lit up over there. Next, we turn on the headlights, and they are gorgeous. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little video overlay right now of me driving around, and I can show you right there that we got a beautiful cutoff on this. It's typical MD2S assembly. So, you know, it's wide, and it has great throw to it, and a beautiful step, and the high beams on it are ridiculous, but I didn't do any video of that because I forgot. My bad. Overall, winner chicken dinner. Nothing to complain about there. Definitely a beautiful OEM plus look. Alright, so I just opened up the door, so the running lights kick on. That's that guy and that guy. But there you go. Those turned off now. Anytime the key is in the ignition, that is what I wired up our Panamera shrouds running lights to. So these are true running lights now, wired up to a true ignition source under the hood. That was as per his request. So not actually tapped into the parking lights, rather the running light ignition circuit. As I'm sure you know by now, these are switchback shrouds. So as you can see, the bulb down below will blink amber because that's switchback, as well as the shroud blinking amber. Right? Right. And again, this time with the parking lights on, we have the blinker, and we have parking light down below, as well as the Panamera shroud on. Everything is color matched and looks beautiful. We love it. And with the key in the ignition, I now have the ability to turn on the fog lights. So those are on down below, as well as the running lights, parking lights. And voila! It all matches. It looks great. It's a great modern look. I'm sorry that my camera apparently just wants to blur out the entire thing, but it looks awesome. So it matches the rest of the truck, which looks awesome. Hey-o! If you're interested in pricing for a build like this, reference the build video itself of the headlights. Pricing will be in that video description. This is an install, so that's going to be basically a case-by-case basis. If you're interested in getting into my build queue or my work schedule, by all means, shoot me an email or give me a call. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks so much for watching. Have yourselves a wonderful day. See ya!